Homemade yogurt has become increasingly popular among health-conscious families, food enthusiasts, and anyone looking to enjoy fresh, preservative-free dairy products from the comfort of home. While store-bought yogurt offers convenience, making your own yogurt allows you to control the ingredients, customize flavors, adjust sweetness levels, and create healthier recipes that suit your dietary preferences. Modern yogurt makers simplify the entire fermentation process by maintaining the consistent temperatures needed for beneficial bacterial cultures to thrive. Instead of constantly monitoring temperatures or using complicated methods, today's machines make it easy to prepare creamy, delicious yogurt with minimal effort. Many models now include digital controls, automatic timers, multiple serving containers, and versatile settings that allow users to make traditional yogurt, Greek yogurt, plant-based yogurt alternatives, and even specialty fermented foods. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best yogurt maker machines for 2026 to help you find the perfect balance of convenience, performance, capacity, and value. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Euro Cuisine yogurt maker. Euro Cuisine has been one of the most recognizable names in home yogurt making for years, and this model continues to be a favorite among beginners and experienced users alike. Designed to simplify the yogurt-making process, it provides a reliable environment for fermentation while helping users create fresh homemade yogurt with minimal effort. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its straightforward operation. Instead of requiring constant monitoring, the yogurt maker maintains a stable temperature throughout the fermentation cycle, helping ensure consistent results. This stability is important because yogurt cultures require precise conditions to develop properly. Another benefit is portion control. Many Euro Cuisine models include individual glass jars that allow users to prepare multiple servings at once. These containers make storage convenient and help simplify meal planning throughout the week. The machine also appeals to health-conscious consumers who want complete control over ingredients. By making yogurt at home, users can avoid unnecessary additives, artificial flavors, and excess sugars commonly found in some commercial products. Coming in at number 4 is the Sutek Yogurt Maker Machine. The Sutek Yogurt Maker Machine is designed for users who want a convenient and efficient way to create homemade yogurt while maintaining flexibility in their recipes. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for beginners, while its reliable performance appeals to more experienced home cooks. One of the standout features of this machine is its ability to maintain a consistent fermentation environment. Proper temperature control is one of the most important factors in yogurt production, and the Sutek model is designed to provide the stable conditions needed for successful culturing. Another advantage is its generous capacity. Depending on the batch size, users can prepare enough yogurt to supply an entire household for several days. This can help reduce grocery costs while providing access to fresh yogurt whenever needed. The machine also offers convenience for individuals interested in experimenting with different yogurt styles. From traditional dairy yogurt to low-fat recipes and alternative milk options, users can explore a variety of homemade creations. At number 3 is the SNJ 102A Yogurt Maker. The SNJ 102A Yogurt Maker stands out for its focus on consistent performance and ease of operation. Designed to simplify home fermentation, this machine helps users create creamy, flavorful yogurt with minimal supervision. One of the key benefits of this model is its efficient temperature management system. Maintaining the correct fermentation temperature is critical for producing high-quality yogurt, and the SNJ 102A is engineered to support optimal culture development throughout the process. Another advantage is its versatility. Many users enjoy experimenting with different yogurt recipes, including flavored varieties, probiotic-rich options, and alternative milk blends. This machine provides the flexibility needed to explore a wide range of homemade yogurt possibilities. Taking the number 2 spot is the Joymek Yogurt Maker. The Joymek Yogurt Maker stands out because of its balance of convenience, capacity, and fermentation reliability. Designed for users who want an easy and efficient yogurt-making experience, it offers features that support both beginners and experienced home cooks. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its precise temperature management. Proper fermentation requires stable heat levels, and the Joymek model is engineered to maintain consistent conditions that help cultures develop successfully. The machine also provides excellent flexibility for creating different yogurt styles. Whether users prefer traditional yogurt, low-fat recipes, sweetened variations, or alternative milk-based options, the Joymek yogurt maker can accommodate a variety of preferences. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Bear yogurt maker. The Bear yogurt maker stands out as one of the most versatile and user-friendly yogurt machines available today. Combining modern features, reliable fermentation performance, and convenient operation, it offers an outstanding solution for anyone interested in homemade yogurt and fermented foods. One of the biggest reasons this machine earns the top position is its advanced temperature control system. Precise temperature management is essential for successful fermentation, and the Bear yogurt maker is designed to maintain ideal conditions throughout the entire process. Another major advantage is versatility. In addition to yogurt, many users utilize the machine for other fermentation projects, expanding its usefulness beyond a single-purpose appliance. This flexibility adds value for individuals interested in exploring homemade probiotic-rich foods. The user-friendly interface further enhances the experience. Clear controls, convenient settings, and reliable automation help simplify operation while reducing the guesswork often associated with traditional yogurt-making methods. Choosing the right yogurt maker depends on several important factors. Capacity, temperature consistency, ease of cleaning, control options, and overall convenience all play significant roles in the user experience. A quality machine can simplify fermentation while helping produce healthier and more flavorful homemade yogurt. Making yogurt at home not only provides greater control over ingredients, but can also reduce food costs and support healthier eating habits. Whether you're preparing breakfast, snacks, desserts, or probiotic-rich recipes, a reliable yogurt maker can become a valuable addition to your kitchen. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best yogurt maker machines for 2026. From the dependable Euro Cuisine yogurt maker, the practical Sutek yogurt maker machine, the reliable SNJ 102A yogurt maker, the advanced Joymek yogurt maker, to the top-rated Bear yogurt maker, there's a perfect option here for every household and budget. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.